I welcome you all, dear students. During this class, we have studied a huge topic that is about waves, and we will learn techniques to solve some of the problems which are linked with the wave topic. So, here it is. The first problem is, what are the wavelengths of a television station which transmits VNF on 500 megahertz and sound on 505 megahertz respectively? Take speed of electromagnetic waves as this is the common speed at every time for the electromagnetic waves. 3 multiplied 10 raised to power 8. So meter per second. There it is. The frequency of the VN is 500 megahertz. It is basically 10 raised to power 6 hertz, and the sound frequency is 505 megahertz. That is 5 10 raised to power 5 5 10 raised to power 6 hertz. What he said, asked you are asked to calculate the wavelengths. Take the electromagnetic waves. What are the wavelengths of television, which transmits VN as 500 megahertz, and sound waves? Two wavelengths are asked. One is the wavelengths of the transmitted types of the electromagnetic waves and the sound wave. Now here it is lambda 1 and lambda 2. Formula used to calculate wavelength is V is equal to F lambda. And from this equation, we can calculate wavelength, that is lambda is equal to speed divided by time. So for case of electromagnetic waves, the speed is common, that is 3 multiplied 10 to the power 8 meter per second. And dividing with the frequency, it is basically lambda 2, lambda 1 is, if you look at after putting values, you are getting 60 centimeter. For lambda 2, here it is. So it will be 0.009594 multiplied 10 to the power 2 meter. This is the basically difference of the wavelength. So to calculate speed of the sound waves, we are using this technique, and you are calculating lambda 2, that is 959.4 centimeters. So these are the techniques and these are the methods through which you can calculate the speed of the wavelengths of the sound waves. For wavelengths, you need to calculate the speed like this, speed of the electromagnetic waves, and for to calculate the wavelength of the sound waves, you need to calculate the speed of the sound waves at 0 degree. Then uh, that is another alternate method, 332 divided by the frequency, the wavelength to calculate. So you need the frequency of that types of the waves. Then you will be able to calculate the wavelength at the end. So speed of that waves. But you need the speed of that waves, and then the frequency of that waves. If you know the two factors, then you can calculate the speed of the any type of the wave, either it's electromagnetic waves or it's of course the television transmits the waves which are called electromagnetic waves, and these are included in the spectrum of electromagnetic waves. And then for the other case, you have to use the same values. So with this, I thank you very much for your attention.